Hello, in this video I'm going to tell you what is Grok 3. Basically the Grok 3 is the previous version of the Grok. Currently we have the Grok 4 as current version. And what is Grok actually? Grok is an AI chatbot created by Elon Musk. It's similar to the chat GPT. We can use it in our browser. Simply type grok.com in your search bar, or we can also use the Grok on our X account. As you take a look on the left side, we have the Grok. We can ask him about anything. We can also attach files from our computer, and he will also be able to give us some information about it. Or for example, we can create images, edit them. We can also use a Grok in our posts. So let's say that we want to type something. I have typed it wrong just to tell you what a Grok can do. One of the things to use the Grok when you are typing a post, simply click this icon, enchant your post with the Grok, and we can, for example, generate the image in our post, or we can enchant it. Now it should. He should be able to enchant this post, but something went wrong. Maybe I'll refresh the page. Let's do it once again. Now enchants. Okay, now it worked. So as you take a look, he have edited my post, my sentence, and now it's typed in the proper way. If you click on this button, he will do it once again. And here you can see the changes. If you click on that, and now we can click on insert as a post, and now it has been typed in the bar in the proper way, thanks to the Grok. We can also generate the images like I was saying before. Now describe the image to create, so let's say maybe something like that. And then type enter. Now it's going to generate the photo. Okay, you can see that it's being generated thanks to the Grok. We can also make it a video. If you want to insert this photo in the post, simply click on that. And now to add the post, hit this button right in here, post. Alright, now that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.